A compact Class C with a lift bed, lithium power that runs the AC, and real cargo space. This is the 2025 Coachmen Crosstrail 20XG, built on the Ford Transit chassis and designed specifically for people who want a compact motorhome that can travel farther, camp longer, and carry real gear without feeling oversized or limited. Right away, the size stands out. At just over 24 feet long, this motorhome fits into places larger Class C rigs simply can't. It's easier to drive, easier to park, and far less intimidating on narrow roads or in national parks, while still offering a full motorhome experience. This unit is built on the Ford Transit T350 chassis, powered by the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 producing 310 horsepower. All-wheel drive is available, which makes a noticeable difference if you travel in snow, rain, gravel, or uneven terrain. The driving experience feels more like a large van than a traditional motorhome, which is exactly the point of this design. This particular Crosstrail is equipped with the Xtreme package, and that package changes both the look and the capability. Up front, you get a brush guard with integrated LED lighting, giving the front end more protection and better visibility in low-light conditions. The suspension is lifted by 2 inches, paired with upgraded shocks and all-terrain tires mounted on black aluminum wheels. This isn't built to rock crawl, but it's absolutely designed for forest roads, trailheads, and uneven campsites. Along the side, you'll notice the armless power awning with integrated LED lighting. It extends far enough to create a usable outdoor living area and includes a wind sensor that automatically retracts the awning if conditions get rough. This is a small feature that makes a big difference when you're away from the RV. One of the biggest strengths of the Crosstrail 20XG is its electrical system. This RV is built for off-grid use right from the factory. It comes standard with 400 amp hours of lithium battery capacity, a 3,000-watt inverter, and rooftop solar. This system is capable of running all of the coach systems, including the air conditioner, directly from the batteries. That means you're not forced to rely on the generator every time you want to cool the interior or stop for a short break. A generator is still included as a backup, but the real advantage here is flexibility. You can camp quietly, travel comfortably, and stop anywhere without worrying about hookups. Storage is another area where this motorhome stands out. At the rear, there's an extra-large exterior trunk storage area that's made possible by the power-operated bed inside. When the bed is raised, this space opens up into a true gear garage. It's large enough to store e-bikes, mountain bikes, paddleboards, camping equipment, and other bulky items that usually don't fit in a motorhome this size. The storage area has a durable, textured floor and tie-down points to keep everything secure while traveling. This makes the Crosstrail a real option for adventure travel instead of just campground hopping. At the back, there's also a 4,000-pound hitch, allowing you to tow or carry additional equipment if needed. For a compact Class C, that adds a lot of versatility. Before moving inside, it's worth mentioning the construction. The Crosstrail uses Azdel composite sidewalls, which are lighter, more moisture-resistant, and more durable than traditional materials. The roof uses a cross-flex membrane designed for longevity and weather resistance. Stepping inside, the layout immediately feels efficient and intentional. Large windows bring in plenty of natural light, and each window is equipped with both a bug screen and a privacy shade. The shades pull up from the bottom, allowing light in while still maintaining privacy, which is a small but very practical detail. The interior design is clean and modern, with angled cabinetry, hidden hinges, and a neutral color palette that keeps the space from feeling cramped. Everything feels built for function rather than decoration. The kitchen is compact but well-equipped. You get a 2-burner induction cooktop, which works well with the electrical system and eliminates the need for an interior propane range. There's a convection microwave for baking, reheating, or air frying, and a 3-way refrigerator that's appropriately sized for this class of motorhome. Counter space is extended with a flip-up section, giving you more room for food prep when needed. The countertops are lightweight composite material, chosen to reduce overall weight while remaining durable. Storage in the kitchen is adequate for everyday use, with drawers and cabinets placed where they're actually usable. The outdoor kitchen does take up some interior storage space, which is something to be aware of, but this is a design trade-off rather than a flaw. Moving forward, the dinette serves as the main seating area. It works for meals, working on a laptop, or relaxing, and it can convert into an additional sleeping area if needed. While it's not oversized, it fits the scale of the RV well. Up front, the cab area is one of the highlights. The driver and passenger seats swivel around, instantly increasing the usable living space. The cockpit includes a large touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making navigation and media control easy. Safety technology is built in, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and pre-collision braking. These features make long highway drives less tiring and add an extra layer of confidence. You've got several overhead storage areas up front, including open cubbies and enclosed cabinets that are easy to access from the living space. The cabinet doors use travel latches to keep everything secure while driving, and when opened, the storage runs deeper than it looks. The ceiling lighting is low profile and flat rather than the typical dome-style fixtures, which helps keep the ceiling feeling cleaner and less cluttered. There's also a vent fan positioned in this area for additional airflow. Above it all, the roof-mounted air conditioner is noticeable when it's running, but it doesn't overpower the space. Air is distributed through adjustable vents on all sides, along with a central outlet, allowing you to direct airflow where it's needed without having to raise your voice to talk inside. Mounted across from the seating area is a 32-inch Samsung TV, positioned at a comfortable viewing height without taking over the space. It's large enough for movies or live TV in the evenings, but still proportioned correctly for a compact Class C like this. The placement keeps it easy to see from the dinette and swivel seats, and when it's off, it blends into the interior without making the living area feel crowded. The interior lighting is all LED and kept very low profile. Instead of bulky dome lights, the fixtures sit nearly flush with the ceiling, which helps the space feel more open and modern. The bathroom uses a split bath design. On one side, you have a separate shower with a skylight, vent fan, and built-in storage for toiletries. Headroom is usable, though taller individuals will want to take note of the height. Across the hall is the toilet and sink area. Storage here is surprisingly good for a motorhome this size, with cabinets and shelving placed where they're easy to reach. The toilet is a foot-flush unit, simple and functional. At the rear of the coach is the signature feature of the 20XG, the power-operated bed. With the push of a button, the bed lowers into place for sleeping or raises to the ceiling to open up the rear storage area. The bed supports up to 800 pounds and includes windows on both sides, USB and power outlets, and integrated lighting. This design is what allows the Cross Trail to function as both a comfortable living space and a serious gear-hauling RV without increasing the overall size. Underneath the motorhome, the tanks are equipped with 12-volt heating pads, allowing for travel in colder temperatures. There's also an on-demand tankless water heater, exterior power outlets, a solar input port, and multiple exterior utility connections. Metal wheel well liners and underbody components add durability and protection compared to plastic alternatives, especially important for long-term travel and rougher roads. The Coachmen Cross Trail 20XG is not trying to be a luxury motorhome. It's designed to be practical, efficient, and capable. The compromises are intentional, made to keep the size manageable while maximizing off-grid capability and storage. If you're looking for a motorhome that's easy to drive, capable of real adventure travel, and equipped with one of the best electrical systems in its class, the Crosstrail 20XG deserves serious consideration. Let me know in the comments what you think about this layout and whether you'd choose the 20XG or step up to the 21XG. That's a full look at the Coachmen Crosstrail 20XG. A compact Class C built around off-grid power, smart storage, and easy drivability. It's not designed to be oversized or luxurious. It's designed to be efficient and capable. If you're comparing small Class C motorhomes, this one is worth a close look. Thanks for watching.